Welcome to aminacademy.com. In mathematical formulae and their explanation, let us discuss about integrals of inverse hyperbolic functions formula. Look at here. Integral sine h inverse x by a dx equal x sine h inverse x by a minus square root of x square minus a square. This is by integration by parts. You have to keep the second function as 1. Next one, integral x sine h inverse x by a dx equal x square by 2 plus a square by 4 of sine h inverse x by a minus x into square root of x square minus a square by 4. Next one, integral sine h inverse x by a over x dx have three situations. Look at here. First one, x by a minus x by a whole cube by 2 into 3 into 3 plus 1 into 3 x by a whole power 5, that is power is odd numbers, minus also here sign is alternatively changing, minus 1 into 3 into 5 of x power a power 7 divided by 2 into 4 into 6 into 7 into 7, and it continues. Next one, the same. Then for this, the condition, the modulus of x is lesser than a. Next one, the second situation is ln square of 2x by a over 2 minus a over x square by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 of a over x power 4 over 2 into 4 into 4 into 4 plus 1 into 3 into 5 of ax power 6 over 2 into 4 into 6 into 6 into 6 when if x is greater than a. Next one, the third situation for integral sine h inverse x by a h inverse x by a over x is here minus of ln into minus 2x by a over 2 plus a over x plus power 2 over 2 into 2 into 2 minus 1 into 3 of a over x power 4 over 2 into 4 into 4 into 4 minus 1 into 3 into 5 a over x power 6 over 2 into 4 into 6 into 6 into 6 when x is lesser than minus a. Next one. Next here sine cos h inverse integral cos h inverse x by a of dx equal, here also two situations in that. First one, x cos h inverse x by a minus root of x square minus square root of x square minus a square when cos h inverse x by a is greater than 0, that is positive. Next situation is x into cos h inverse x by a plus x square minus a square when cos h inverse x by a is lesser than 0. Next is integral x cos h inverse x by a is 1 over 4 of 2x square minus a square cos h inverse x by a minus 1 over 4 x into square root of x square minus a square when cos h inverse x by a is greater than 0. Next is integral x cos h inverse x by a of second situation is 1 by 4 of 2x square minus a square cos h inverse x by a plus, here plus comes here, plus 1 by 4x square root of a square x square minus a square when cos h inverse x by a is lesser than 0. Next, integral cos h inverse x by a over x dx equal plus or minus half ln square of 2x over a plus a over x whole square over 2 into 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 a over x power 4 2 into 4 into 4 into 4 plus 1 into 3 into 5 a over x whole power 6 over 2 into 4 into 6 into 6 into 6 plus continues. Then situation if it is a plus, because plus or minus is given, plus if cos inverse x by a is cos h inverse x by a is greater than 0, then negative if this value is negative if cos h inverse x by a is lesser than 0. Next is integral tan h inverse x by a dx equal x tan h inverse x by a plus a over 2 ln of a square minus x square. Next one, integral x tan h inverse x by a dx equal ax over 2 plus half x square minus a square tan h inverse x by a. Next one, integral tan h inverse x by a over x dx equal x over a plus of x over a whole cube by 3 square plus x over a power 5 whole power 5 square plus dot 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 dot. Next one, cot h inverse x by a dx equal x cot h inverse x by a plus a square over 2 ln of x square minus a square. Next one, integral x cot h inverse x by a dx equal ax over 2 plus half into a square minus x square of cot h inverse x by a. Next is integral cot h inverse x by a over x dx equal minus of half a over x plus a over x whole cube by 3 square plus a over x whole power 5 over 5 square and plus dot dot continue the terms. Next one, integral secant h inverse x by a dx equal, here two situations is here. First one, x secant h inverse x by a plus a sin inverse x by a when secant h inverse x by a is greater than 0. It is positive. Next situation is x secant h inverse x by a minus a into sin inverse x by a when secant h inverse x by a is lesser than 0. Here note this point here only, it's not hyperbolic, normal trigonometric, that is a sin inverse. Here also a sin inverse, not that point. Next one, integral cos h inverse x by a dx equal x cosecant h inverse x by a plus or minus a sin h inverse x by a. This is positive if x is greater than 0, negative if x is lesser than 0. Next, integral x power m of cos h inverse x by a dx is having two situations which is equal. First one, x power m plus 1 over m plus 1 into cos h inverse x by a minus 1 over m plus 1 integral x power m power 1 x power m plus 1 over square root of x square minus a square dx, where here cos h inverse x by a is greater than 0, that is positive. Next one, of that same cosecant h inverse x by a integral x power m cosecant cos h inverse x by a dx equal x power m plus 1 over m plus 1 cos h inverse x by a plus 1 over m plus 1 integral of x power m plus 1 over the square root of x square minus a square dx, where cos h inverse x by a is lesser than 0. Here we have to continue this integral. Next one, integral x power m tan h inverse x by a is x power m plus 1 over m plus 1 of tan h inverse x by a minus a over m plus 1 integral of x power m plus 1 over a square minus x square. This is what tan h inverse x by a, that is integral of x power m tan h inverse x by a. Next is integral of x power m cot h inverse x by a, which is equal x power m plus 1 over m plus 1 of cot h inverse x by a minus 1 over m plus 1 integral x power m plus 1 over a square minus x square. Next one, x power m integral x power m secant h inverse x by a dx equal integral dx equal x power m plus 1 over m plus 1 into secant h inverse x by a plus a over m plus 1 integral x power m dx integral the square root of a square minus x square. Next, integral x power m cosecant h inverse x by a dx equal x power m plus 1 over here that is x power cosecant x power m plus 1 over m plus 1 cosecant h inverse x by a plus or minus a over m plus 1 integral x power m dx over the square root of square root of x power m dx then square root of a square minus x square. When here these two situations, first for here the second integral x power m secant h inverse x by a dx is one more here x power m plus 1 over m plus 1. I am reading the green things. Secant h inverse x by a of integral x power m dx over plus or minus square root of a square minus x square when secant inverse x by a is lesser than 0. The same for cosecant h inverse x by a is dx equal to x power m plus 1 over m plus 1 cosecant h inverse x by a plus or minus a over m plus 1 integral x power m dx over the square root of x square plus a square. It is positive if x is greater than 0 because it's a plus or minus comes. It is negative if x is lesser than 0. So far we discussed about indefinite integrals of inverse hyperbolic functions. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.